Looking for a dependable way to power your SATA drives without upgrading your entire power supply? The Monoprice Molex-to-SATA power adapter offers a simple, effective solution. This 6-inch cable plugs into a standard 4-pin Molex power connector and converts it to a single 15-pin SATA power connector, letting you connect newer drives even if your system lacks enough SATA power plugs. What sets this adapter apart is its build quality. Unlike cheap alternatives, Monoprice uses rugged cables and enforces strict quality control to ensure durability and consistent performance. One satisfied user called it a beefy adapter, with solid construction, making it a trustworthy choice for anyone needing a reliable Molex-to-SATA connection. Plus, Monoprice backs every cable with a lifetime warranty, so you can buy with confidence knowing they stand behind their products. It's important to note that this adapter provides only 5 and 12 volts of power. Some SATA drives require an additional 3 volts, which this cable doesn't supply. Before purchasing, double-check your drive's power requirements to make sure this adapter fits your setup. If your drive only needs 5 and 12 volts, this cable is a straightforward way to extend your system's compatibility without the hassle of replacing your power supply or case. If you're juggling older power supplies with newer SATA drives, this Monoprice adapter offers a practical, cost-effective fix. It bridges the gap between legacy hardware and modern components, saving you time and money while keeping your system running smoothly. Worth a look if you want a no-fuss, durable solution for powering your SATA drives. Ready to upgrade your setup with a cable that's built to last? Try the Monoprice Molex-to-SATA power adapter when you're ready. It's a smart addition for anyone needing reliable power connections without the extra expense or complexity.